सर आप तो यूपीएससी के लिए अपियर नहीं हो रहे, आप तो वकील हैं, तो आप भाषण देके निकल जाएंगे. So the question is, it's a very practical question because a lot of people after reading the book are saying, how do I with this conscious knowledge appear for the bloody interviews? How do I respond? Because the first response will get me kicked out, right? वहां पे जो बोलना है बोलो, उनको जो सुनना है उनको सुनाओ. You've been seeing the videos of these coaching institutes that have come out. You've seen all of this. आपको लगता है कि इन 7 सालों में 2014 से इस मानसिकता में कोई परिवर्तन आया है? नहीं आया है. गवर्नमेंट के मानसिकता में परिवर्तन हो सकता है लेकिन अभी तक ब्यूरोक्रेसी में नहीं हुआ है. फ्रॉम द स्टैंड पॉइंट ऑफ इवन एक्सेप्टेंस, एंट्रेंस से लेके कोचिंग से लेके ये मानसिकता बदली नहीं है. व्हाट डज दैट टेल यू? व्हाट आर द रियलिटीज? रियलिटीज आर योर पोजीशन डज नॉट हैव स्टेट सपोर्ट टुडे. एंड आई एम टॉकिंग टू दोज स्टूडेंट्स because I refuse to buy this premise that everybody who prepares for UPSC necessarily comes from a Khata Pita family. No, that's not the case. I have seen children of farmers appearing for this out of a sense of service. I have seen people from a variety of backgrounds. Rajendra Nagar में पड़े रहते हैं सालों. Every year they do this. It would be mighty irresponsible on my part to tell them, मैंने एक पुस्तक लिख दिया है, इसको जाके उनके मुंह पे फेंको. Because what will happen is, my book will become popular. And I can think that I've initiated a revolution. In the process, what happens to certain lives? So, if I can vouch for this, and there are photos of this on Twitter and other places, my suggestion to all these students, these idealistic students, I've written this as part of my signature. Enter the system, but do not let the system change you. If you wish to use the book and cock a snook at the bureaucracy, more power to you. Please do it. Because जो इस बुक को पढ़ के अंदर जाएंगे and use the exam only as an entrance and not pay attention to it beyond that, तब भी मेरी ही जीत होगी. आप जैसे लोग जाके उनको बोलेंगे कि आप गलत हैं, तब भी मेरी जीत होगी. My point is very, very simple. You have to realize sometimes, think like a Shivaji. Don't necessarily stick your head out and have it beheaded. Because if he had to adopt what is known as the Banzai attack in Japan, when he's outnumbered, he wouldn't have been able to build an empire. His successors wouldn't exist. Think very, very clearly. Be realistic. Your ideals and goals need not change. But the strategy can change depending on the circumstances. Period. Be very, very clear about this. I do not want indic-minded children to be kept out of the system under any circumstances merely because they have said something. Uska bhi waqt aayega, uska bhi samay aayega. Until then, focus on the fact that no matter what happens around you, you have decided to serve this motherland and its thought process. You will never be deviated from this particular path. That focus must be laser sharp. If the one thing that I can confidently say that I've brought as part of my personality anywhere is laser sharp focus. I will never, tas se mas ho jaye, nobody will be able to deviate me from what I want to do and what I've set out to do under any circumstances. What do IIT aspirants do? You really think they take the schooling system seriously? No, they just have to clear the exam, but their focus is on IIT coaching and getting into IIT. That's it. Have that sense of detachment as far as the syllabus of IAS and the training is concerned. Detach. ये एक एग्जाम है जो क्लियर करना है. ये आपकी विचारधारा या फिर आपके वर्ल्ड व्यू को किसी भी हालत में नहीं बदलेगा. As long as you go in with that, I think you're safe. I think you're 100% safe. Today you're not in a position to, so wait.